Hello, aspirants. This is a quick demonstration on how you can purchase the ebook from IIMaspirant.in. When you are on the new tab, just search for IIMaspirant. Actually, I have already added into my shortcuts. So let me just go into that page for IIMaspirant.in. And here you can see like there's a button for getting into the shops page. So let me just click in here, boost your IIM journey, and let me just go to the page of the formula book. That's a formula book for CAT Aspirants 2025. Actually, we have curated this formula book. Previously, the price we launched it for it was 199, 198, and after that we slashed the price to 99. But as our team has decided that more and more people should have the access to the formula book, so we slashed the price down to 49. And I think that's unbelievable price for anything like IIMaspirant.in, because there are making charges and there are team charges that we have to handle. So we can't give it for free like other people are giving it for free. But I don't think that you should get, like, you can get that, but after that they will target you again. So let me just add it to the cart. Okay, I have already added it to my cart, so let me go to my cart. And what it says, you may be also be interested in. Okay, so there's an exclusive membership for CAT Aspirants 2025, guys. So it's a quick shout out to that as well. We have launched this membership the last month, and we have got a good response from that. And you can get your membership for 12 months, for 3 months, for 2 months, for 6 months. And I believe the price is unbelievable, right? In which you also get a 10% discount, additional 10%. Like right now the price is 49, but if you have the membership, then you will be getting the discounted it for less, 10% less than what right now the price is. And in that we also get the weekly newsletter and exclusive Q&A session with the IIMaspirant that right now I think nobody is offering right now in this segment. And there will of course be the future enhancement that will be happening into the ebook and something like that. So any update to the ebook and any other thing, you will be getting an exclusive uh, access to that, and the early access to the new content as soon as the new content releases. So we just have the formula book. I just told you about the aspirant membership, but sooner or later you it's your call if you want to buy. But right now it's a demonstration to buy the formula book. So let me go to the checkout page and let me just fill out my details here. I think my details have already been filled, so let me blur it out, otherwise it would be revealed, right? So let me go to the place order, and here we have, and let me just go to the UPI and generate my QR. Let me just open my phone and approve the payment. Let me just do it quickly. Yeah. Yeah, I have done the payment. Correct. Great. I got a message as well. And after doing that, you will also be receiving a message from PayU that the payment has been done for IIMaspirant.in. And also you will be getting it on your email. So as soon as you open your email, you will be getting a download link there as well. So you can download the ebook from there. Let me just download it quickly, and we just add it, save, and here we have the ebook. Oh, that man, that's great ebook. And yeah, we got our ebook. And also guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have uploaded our first short, and into the websites page, let me just quickly go to the website as well. We have our Telegram group link as well. So if you want to join the Telegram group, then you can also join it. And there is also an exclusive content that we are right now offering. So just subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram, and also fill out the form, that is link in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, so the new content releases, you get the earliest access to that. That's all from our side. Hope you like this video, and we will be subscribing to our YouTube channel, so as soon as the new content releases, you will be getting the fastest access to that, right? And put your thoughts into the comment section below, so we'll be replying you as soon as you put down your thoughts there. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you.